Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today it is Tuesday, July the 1st. It's the beginning of a brand new month. And we have made it to day number 82 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. All right. So if you guys have no idea what's going on here, we are shooting a 365-day series. Okay. A 1 year series. We are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're going to put those two together, and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year of doing so. Okay. So I'm making these videos, guys, just to show you guys how to do stuff. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Okay, like these videos. That way you can get the algorithm out there. It can get the name, get the word out there. Okay, for other people who are looking for extra income. Okay. Now, also go back and watch the earlier the videos from day number one all the way up, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. And from there, I'm just going to show you guys how to do stuff, how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. And then also, I'm going to show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. All right. So we're on day number 82. Let's get to it. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, that's an email platform where they basically give you 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office here, and your back office is going to look exactly like this. Every day you come in here, you're going to see either 100 or 200 new leads. Okay. What will determine if you get 100 or 200 is how many accounts that you have. Okay. And the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is you can have multiple accounts. Okay. And that's how, some of us are able to get thousands and thousands of people coming in every month. And because we have multiple accounts. Okay. Me, I have 8 different accounts. You don't have to go out and get 8 accounts. You can either start with one, two, three. 5 is going to be the sweet spot where you're going to start seeing a return. And then after that, after you start making money, you can always scale up to get more accounts. Some people got 10, some people got 15, some people may got 20. Okay. It just depends. All right. So your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. If you guys want to go ahead and get started, I did leave a link below this video. So you just click on the More tab and you come down here where this tiny URL is and click on where it says MLGS Freedom. Okay. True Freedom. Okay. It'll take you to the landing page of My Lead Gen Secret System. Go ahead and get started. And then after you create your first account, you can sign up. You're going to sign out. You're going to copy this link, and then you're going to sign out of this account, and then you're going to paste this into the URL, and then you're going to click, and it's going to take you to your own affiliate page, and you're going to sign up under yourself. Okay, that way you're going to get a kickback of your monthly payment that you're paying each and every month, and you're going to collect your own money from the accounts that you have. Okay, it's really cool, guys. So with my account, since I have 8 of them, I've signed up under somebody that presented this method to me, and then from then I sign up under myself, and then now I'm earning income each and every month just from my own accounts. All right, it's pretty cool. So there are multiple ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secret System. One is going to be within the My Lead Gen Secret itself. You can promote this offer to the traffic that you get using this affiliate link and using the pre-written emails, okay, that are in here for the My Lead Gen Secret. Number two is using offers and platforms such like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. You have Max Bounty. You have tons of different platforms that you can use where you can basically create emails and use the affiliate links for those business opportunity offers and send them to this traffic. Okay, and the third is going to be your multiple accounts that you have, and you're getting a residual kickback from the monthly payments that you make each and every month. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's how you. Then the trick is you have to use a different email address whenever you create a new account under yourself. Okay, that's the only way it's going to work. You can't use the same email address. You can use the same credit card, okay, to pay for it, but you do have to use a different email address to do so. All right, so that's it, guys. You're back. This is what your back office looks like. The only thing difference between yours and mine is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Obviously, we're not, sending out the same email every single day. Okay. But your back office, the tabs and all this stuff is going to look identical. Okay. The tab that's going to probably mean the most to you guys is going to be this mailing system. This is where you send out your emails. Okay. So if you guys sent out an email in Google. If you ever email somebody, maybe in Yahoo or Outlook, whatever email platform that you use, if you've ever sent out an email, you can do this method, guys, because it's the same exact thing. Okay, there's a subject line and then there's a body of text. So all we do is the cool thing about the ClickBank offer, why I'm using that, because it has pre-written emails that all we got to do is copy those emails from the offer and then paste them onto the system and then click send. Like, it's super easy to do. My 8 accounts, guys, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send those emails out every single day. And it's super easy to do. And I'm just coming here to show you guys how easy it is. Okay, so what you want to do, click on select all. What that'll do is it'll transfer all of the emails, it'll load them up. So that way we can send out one email and it's going to go to however many people that you have in your account. Okay. Now, since I've been doing this probably a lot longer than you have, I do have over 180,000 subscribers. So I definitely may have a little bit more than most. But if you are getting started, you may have maybe 100 or 200 or maybe 1,000. Just depends on how far you are in with the My Legion secret method. Okay. So we would load those emails up like so, and then you come down here. We want to pick a subject line. Okay, now this subject line, like I said, is going to come from the offers from ClickBank. Okay, now you don't have to use ClickBank. I'm just using ClickBank because it's the easiest thing to sign up for. You can sign up for ClickBank. It's a network platform for affiliate marketers. You can go and you can promote other people's offers. Okay, and they have a business opportunity, a e-business, e-marketing section where you can go grab those business opportunity offers and you can send them to this traffic. Okay. Because this traffic here, guys, these people only care about making money online. Okay. So that's why we go out and grab offers that are related to business opportunities, because these people respond to that. They're looking for ways to make money. Okay. So we want to present them, ideas and different things on how to make money online. Okay. So this offer is on ClickBank. Excuse me. This offer is on ClickBank. It's called Social Sales Rep. It's one of the top offers in the e-business, e-marketing section. Okay. And this is the offer that we're going to be using. Okay. And like I said, right here, guys, as you can see, it has different tabs. A lot of this other stuff is more advanced marketing for advanced marketers. So if you're doing like paid traffic, but if you're doing just this method with the My Legion secret system, you're going to just use the free email swipes that are provided. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here and let's go ahead and pick an email. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab this one right here. All right, and then let's go ahead and grab the subject line. So as you can see, we just want to copy it. Control C, come back over here to the mailing system and Control V. Super easy, guys. All right, come down here, click on perfect timing so that our email goes out when our prospect is looking at their email. We want to grab this body of text. We want to Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and we want to Control V. Okay. And then we want to take out where it says signature, and you can either put in your name or management, whichever one. I usually use management. Okay. It depends on the style of email. Okay. So a lot of my emails are like job oriented emails. So I like to put management on there. So that way it kind of looks a little more professional. But if it's a different type of email, if it's more like, realistic or, storyline email, you're going to probably want to use your name, your first name. Okay. So we want to Control V right here. And what that does right here, when you paste that code in, it addresses our prospect by their first name. Okay. So when this email goes out, it says like, hey, Jane, hey, John, hey, Jermaine, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email and it shows you the opportunity and the income potential that you can possibly make with the offer. Okay. And then if you come down here at the bottom of every email, okay, they're going to show you where the call to action link is supposed to go. Okay. So usually the call to action link is going to be highlighted in bold text. So what we want to do is look at the bottom for anywhere where it has bold text, which is this is right here. Okay. And this is the call to action text that we're looking for. So call to action means that, call to action means something is telling you to do something, whether it says click here, apply now, get started here, complete your application now, right? So we want to turn this into a clickable link. Okay. So what I want to do here is I want to click on this link tab right here. Click on that. Let's go back to the offer. Now, underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link that's going to be personalized to you. Okay. So right here, you're going to take out where it says your ClickBank ID. You want to take that out and you want to put in your personal ID. Okay. And that's very important that we do that. So let's go back over here to the mailing system. Let's control V. All right. And then we want to come here and we want to take out where it says your ClickBank ID, and you want to put in your ID. Okay. Don't put in mine. Okay. Put in yours. That way you get the credit. Okay. Click on OK. And then look, what that does, it turns this call to action, text into a clickable link. And that's what we want. So you want to control A. And I like to make this either 16 or 18 as far as the size. That way, when this email goes out to all these people, it's very easy to read, and it's clear. And also, there's a button here, big as day, and all someone has to do is click on it, and then our job is done, guys. So what we come down here and do is there's going to be two buttons. Okay, I've already sent out my emails today to get ahead of you guys. There's going to be two buttons. One is going to say preview or send now. Okay, before you click send now, you want to click on preview. And the reason why is because you want to make sure that this link works. Okay. So when you click on preview, what it does, it pulls up another box and it shows you the email in real time. So it shows you what it's going to look like when it goes out to your prospects. So what you want to do is you want to click on this link to make sure it goes to your affiliate page. Okay. That's very important. And whenever you click on this, you want to look for your affiliate ID in the URL. Okay. You want to make sure it goes to your page. Okay. And that's it. You come back here and click on send now. All right. We just sent out an email. That's how super easy it is to do in the My Legion secret system. And our job as affiliate marketers, guys, is to get prospects to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to do anything. Okay. We're just the middleman. Where we're finding someone who's looking for a solution. Okay. These people on this list, they're looking for ways to make money. Us as affiliate marketers, we're here to provide solutions for people that are looking for whatever it is that they're looking for. Okay. And that's the whole goal here, guys, is to send these emails out, find offers that are related to making money, and just keep sending out emails to this traffic. And eventually people will start to buy from you. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. All right. So I just showed you how to send out an email. Get started today, like I said, at the link below this video that you're watching, and you can get your accounts and start getting them going today. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Now, if you guys don't know what ClickBank is, like I said, it's a platform that you can go to for affiliate marketers. They have different offers and they have different niches. Okay. You can promote offers anywhere from health and fitness to cooking to self help, right? To woodworking, to make money online. All right. So they have different offers. I recommend that you sign up for ClickBank. And because you can sign up for ClickBank in one day and get your account started just like that and start promoting offers that same day. Okay. That's why I'm promoting ClickBank, because it's super easy to get accepted into versus some of these other platforms. It takes a few days. Sometimes if you don't pass the answers or pass the right questions, you don't get into the system. Okay. Into the group. Okay. So ClickBank is a little bit different. Anybody can kind of go. If you can know how to sign up for something, put your name and email address, confirm your email, and, answer a few questions, you can get your account activated within minutes. Okay. So that's why I'm picking ClickBank to do this method, guys. But, if you're a little bit more seasoned, if, you can always go to Warrior Plus. Like I said, JV Zoo is out there. And then if you have other CPA networks that you're a part of, you can use the business opportunity of those platforms, and you can create emails. Okay. Whether that they have the pre-written emails, or you can create these emails with Chat GPT or some AI service or something like that for your emails. Okay. Which is pretty easy. Okay. So we sent out an email last night. Okay. And as you can see on this timeline, like I was showing you guys, that a lot of our sales are, I'm starting to see them get a little bit closer. Okay. So before they were kind of spread out, but now we're getting them either every day or every other day or every 2 days. Okay. So it shows progress that we're getting closer and closer to where we're going to get sales every single day. Okay. And that's the whole goal here, guys. And the reason why I'm promoting this offer, because it does have a rebill, okay, of $28 every single month, okay, so that the prospect is going to get billed for that program, and we're going to earn the affiliate commission of it. And the whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up, and we get these monthly reoccurring commissions. Okay, which is pretty cool because it's just we set it up one time and they get billed over and over and over, and we make those monthly payments over and over and over again. Okay, so you're going to have those $40 days, those $60 days, those $80 days, $100 days, $150 days, guys, that you can have, right on up. Depends on how much time you put into this. Okay, this account, this ClickBank account, I just created just for you guys, just to show you how easy it is from scratch. So if you go back to day number one of this video, you're going to pretty much see like a brand new ClickBank account. Now I have another ClickBank account that I use to promote other offers, and I do other stuff as well online. But this account, I'm just zeroing in just for you guys, just to show you the possibility for you if you were to get started as well. So click on that link below, get your account started from that, okay? And you can start doing and duplicating what I'm doing, okay? So I would recommend you do that, guys. But let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab and let's see how we did today. Okay. Let's see if we got some traffic. Today is July 1st. Okay. We're promoting this offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. We got 800, we got 834 hops today, 695 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. Okay. We didn't get any order form impressions. Order form impressions are, where someone goes to that checkout page and they're getting ready to buy. Okay, so we didn't get one of those today. We didn't earn any sales today, but we did earn a commission. Okay, now this commission is from a rebill from I'm not sure when. Okay, and we're going to dissect this and find out where this sale came from. Okay, now if you guys been following these videos, you'll see that we did earn a commission the day before yesterday. Okay, if you guys have been following along. Okay, so we did earn a commission that should be paid out possibly tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure. These emails, I just send them out and just see what happens. Okay, that's just kind of what I'm doing. But this sale came from somewhere and I want to find out where it came from. So we did earn a commission today. So let's go ahead and go over here to the accounts tab and let's find out where this sale came from. Okay. So what I'm thinking is that this sale came from a rebill from the previous months. Okay. So let's go ahead and check. All right. So let's go ahead and click on here. And as you can see right here, okay, we got a sale last month at the same time on June 1st. We got a sale on June 1st of last month, and the prospect got billed again in today's July 1st. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys, that these sales will come in each and every month. Okay, as long as the prospect stays on the reoccurring commitment. Okay, now the sign of someone staying on means that they're making money. Okay, with this program. Okay, that's why someone signed up on the first of last month and they stuck with it because they're making money, and then now they got billed for the program again, and then they're going to get billed again on August 1st, September 1st, October 1st. Okay, and that's what I was telling you guys. We get multiple people signing up. Okay, and we get these people paying their monthly payment each and every month, guys. This stuff is exciting. Okay, this stuff is powerful. Okay, if it's done correctly. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys kind of where we are and what we did today, and show you the commissions that we did make. Okay, we earned some income today. We did get a rebill, but I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. I'm gonna end this video. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email. I wanted to show you the results from yesterday's email on how we did. And we did earn a sale today. Okay, we did earn a rebill sale. Okay, not a new trial sale, but a rebill, okay, which we did earn money, okay, which is the whole goal. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.